part 1 and 2 because I talked so much at the beginning. So you'll have to watch 2 videos. Okay, so let me undo this. And now we are in part 2, I believe. And that's just as well because we are just now starting to open this. So let's see. Oh, looky. Inexpensive. Oh, almost lost them. These are her favorite kind of pens, she says. Oh, cool. And she says it's a stylus on the other end, so you can use that if you have like an iPad or a phone where you want to write with it. I actually am probably fixing to get the new iPhone 10, and I'm also probably going to upgrade my iPad, so I wonder if I'll need this stylus for that. But regardless, look at these beautiful colors. I can't wait to use them for scripture writing. And then there is, oh my goodness, look at these little, I don't know what that is. Wait, what does that say? To Lance? Oh, vinyl record guitar picks made from vinyl records sold. Okay, hold on. Oh, how cool. I don't know if y'all can see the texture, but you know what a vinyl record, some of you may not, you're so young. The texture of a vinyl record. What's interesting, sometime, I wonder if I should or should not do a tour of my husband's music room. I'm not sure he would want me to do that, but I could at least show you the decor. One night on date night, when we first moved in this house, we took all of our parents, both sides, and our vinyl records, and the date night was we both got a, what do you call them? Gun? I can't, you know, it screws things in and it goes, zzz, zzz. I can't think of words anymore, y'all. Anyway, and we put all these records on the ceiling. They cover the ceiling. And on the side walls is the covers, the LP 33 covers to all the, some of them are from me. I can see from here. One's Heart from Dog and Butterfly. Heart was one of my favorite groups, girl group. Love Ann Wilson's voice. People told me I sound similar to her, which I'm like, oh my gosh, what a compliment. Karen Carpenter, another one I've been told I sound like, and should be because that is who I learned the buttery, warmer sound of song. Sandy Patty was my upper soprano person that I learned from. But I've got my parents' Silent Night with the Lawrence Welk Band, and that's one of my favorites. But anyway, we've got Beatle albums, Rolling Stones is my husband. There's Rocky Balboa. What was that? And Nat King Cole's Christmas album. All kinds of stuff in there. I can see Bob Dylan from here. That's my husband. Boston. Boston was one of my favorite bands coming up through my teens. Anyway, so this pick is made from those. So let's see. This is from me. That's for Lance. I should have let him open it. That was bad. I'll wrap it back up and let him open it. Don't tell. He actually does watch my videos, so now he'll know. What? Okay, this one's for Beth. What's in here? I think this is for Beth. Yes, it says Beth. Oh, they're earrings. Look. It's a pick earring. Can y'all see that? And there's something on it. Oh, it says love. That is so pretty. It's a guitar pick and the word love. So I bet this other one is the other one. Oh, Cherie, that was so sweet and thoughtful. Let me unwrap this one. So excited. She's wrapped it up good. That's good because that way it don't get messed up. And so much care to wrapping it. Look, y'all wonder, Beth, what are you doing? I'm unloading and unloading. Oh, there's the other one. Same thing. So they're matching. I didn't know if they'd be, you're like, well, Beth, they're earrings. Well, sometimes earrings are different. So I think that is so pretty. That'd be so pretty with like a cream-colored sweater and blue jeans or a black cowl neck with all that color. That's so pretty. Okay, well, I'm going to save that. And there's, I need to ramp Lance's back up. Let him open his own. That was so sweet of you, Cherie, to do something for my husband. You are a thoughtful person. Of course, we all know that. Those of you who don't know who Cherie is, Cherie McGinnis has a YouTube channel here, and I will link her below. And if you are not already a follower, you need to go and subscribe to her channel and hit the little notification bell, because I have mine turned on. I love when she uploads. Oh, what a beautiful bracelet. Can y'all see that? It says Faith, Hope, and Love. And it's got a little heart and a cross and these beautiful stones. I'm putting that right on right now. I love this. I will wear this every day. Oh my gosh, look how it matches my outfit. It's got little green stones, and I'm wearing that kind of mint green color. Look at that. And look how it looks good with my Pandora. Oh my gosh, I love it so much, Cherie. Girlfriend. And there's something else in here. What is this? Oops, I just pulled it apart. It's a box. Oh, it says the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Proverbs 1:7. Look at that beautiful coffee cup. So y'all are going to see me drink out of this all the time. That is gorgeous. There's a part of me that wants to use that as a decor piece. I don't know, though. Wisdom. Look how it says wisdom right there. That is so beautiful. And I love, this is Regalos Inspiration Life Gift Group. So if y'all like this, you can get it at lifegiftgroup.com. And it's microwave safe. I love that you can, drink and the message is right there. I love that. And I am a coffee drinker and cocoa drinker when it comes to this time of year, and hot apple cider drinker. I love hot drinks. That is so pretty. Y'all watch on your coffee, though. Try to cut to half like I am on caffeine, because caffeine isn't great for blood pressure as you get our age. But you can just go caffeine free. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I love these. I don't know if they're roses or peonies, but I don't care. They're so pretty. I try to keep it back here because I have found that things focus better when I hold them next to my face than when I bring them forward. But I'm going to try to bring this forward and fill the frame. And usually what that does, if you sit it long enough and pull it back a little, you can see the details of things. The detail. That is so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. Though, it'd be pretty on my desk full time. If I drink out of it, I have to take it downstairs and put my pens in it. What do y'all think? That would look so cute on my desk, right there in front of me. Okay. I think that's it. Oh no, there's something else. Y'all, Amazing Grace for a Woman's Heart, Devotions for Women. Well, you know what? We'll have to do a series on this. Now, when you do that, you do need to give proper copyright, I guess, notation. But I will. I'll put it in there. Does it have an author? Let me see. Or is it multiple? Jane Fryer. F-R-Y-A-R. Devotions for Women. Look how pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. So we will have to do this together. Day 1, day 2, day 3. How long is this for? Day what? Day 33. Day 33. 34. Okay, so it goes to 35 days. Okay. We'll do a daily devotional, Amazing Grace for a Woman's Heart. What do y'all think about that? Are y'all interested in doing that? And we will do that. I don't know if we'll do that on this channel or my Pure Bible channel, because my Pure Bible channel is for pure Bible study and daily devotionals or weekly devotionals. Right now I'm in the Better Than Therapy series, and that's a weekly devotional that we're doing. But we could do daily. Y'all know I'm on the internet every single day, and I talk to y'all every single day about something. Well, Cherie, I cannot tell you how thoughtful. I just love this bracelet so much. You are so thoughtful, and you did not need to do that for me, but I love that, when we can become friends with each other, and just get to know each other better. We don't have to do presents, but we can send each other cards. I've thought about putting my address up on my videos for shipping. My husband doesn't want me to put my home one because, there are cuckoos out there. And when I say that, I mean I have come under attack for, being a follower of Jesus as well. And you just never know who's out there, might do something crazy. But I have a guarded shipping address, and I could put that up there. In other words, it's gated. You can't get in. And I could put that up there if we want to exchange cards with each other. And please, I do not want to encourage people to send me presents. I love presents. That is my love language, is gifts. Is that bad? But it doesn't have to be something expensive. Like, it could have been just that pick. I don't know how much that pick was. But I'm even going to keep the outside piece of this card because I love it so much. Cherie, I love it so much. But anyway, one of my favorite things when somebody does a gift is just, I don't know, a card or something they made, like Kathy's cards. Oh my gosh, she made me the prettiest card. I've showed y'all that before. Yeah, so, you know, it doesn't have to be something expensive. And then I also like to send stuff back to y'all. So, looking to keep that together. Because I love even the outside of it. That is so pretty. And Kathy's card is over there as well. So, yeah, I just love interaction between us. And that's why I love the video comments so much. Because, you know, it's back and forth that way. And I've been thinking about doing a live stream on a certain day of the week. And I'm thinking a live stream on a Saturday might be a really cool idea. So yeah, I just love this. I'm so excited. What did I do with Lance's little present? Uh-oh. There it is. Okay. I'm going to give him his little present, Cherie. So anyway, what do y'all think about doing a live stream to where it's, I mean, we're live. It's not talking back and forth. It's talking real time. What do y'all think about that? Do y'all like that idea? Anyway, I think it's fixing to start flashing and telling me we need to switch over to another video, so I guess I'll do that. I feel like I'm having a good hair day. What do y'all think? Oh, also, I accidentally uploaded a Bible study to this channel. Not a Bible study to this channel. I uploaded a beauty video to my other channel, so I'll have to switch them. Anyway, be patient with me, y'all. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all again soon. Love you.